Hi students, welcome to my channel. Today I came to explain a very important topic from the probability. Of course, you know this one. The probability topic is very important in any examination point of view, any competitive examination point of view. It is very important, and particularly I am going to explaining this one. When the three dice are rolled, it shows that the three dice shows the three numbers. Okay, based on that we may get some different questions. Okay, so in that case, by literally writing this one, what is the sum of the numbers which are appearing on the die is, it gives that the sum is 18 or sum is 19 or sum is 15, like this one. Okay, I think it will take the time to write this one. Of course, while writing this one, we may not get correct or not, we don't know that one. Okay, in that case, what we have to do? Yes, we have to do that something. Yes, let us ask that our magic apple, what we are going to do. Okay, it will help you. First of all, when the three dice are rolled, what are the total possibilities? Sample space, which is 6 cube 216, fairy dice are rolled. Okay, total chances are 216. Then it shows that three numbers will appear this one. What is the sum of the numbers which appear on the three dice? Is minimum is 3. When the three dice shows number 1, minimum is 3. So it may be 4, it may be 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, like this, up to what is the maximum sum is 18. The three dice shows the number 6, second die shows 6, so third die also 6, 18. Okay, yes. Now I have taken that like this, the numbers which forms the shape of apple. Okay, yes, from this one we will get that magic. Let us see. Okay, yeah, so in that case, now here I am going to write this on favorable cases. I am going to round off this one. One possibility, the sum of the three numbers on the die is 1. So here 1 plus 2, it is 3, right? It is 3 possibilities. The sum is 4. Okay, after that 3 plus 3, it is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Let us see how I am going to calculate this one. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. Okay, yes. Then after, okay, please focus on here. Okay, after that you can add just 4. It is 25. 25 plus 2, it is 27. Okay, so please you should be careful at these two places only, up to here plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, adding this one, and in this case only you can take only plus 4 and plus 2. Okay, how we can remember this one is the 2 plus 4, here is the 6 will come here. Okay, not okay. Then after that, for the remaining possibilities, so you can write that these things as it is. Okay, not for 10 and for 11 we will get that the favorable cases are same. That's why I write here. We will get the shape is like this. Okay, then after please write this one. For this case, this is the 25 possibilities. This is the 21. Sum is the 13 and sum is 15. Okay, sum is 14. The 15 possibilities, and here it is the 10 and it is 6 and it is 3. And the sum is 18, we will get the one chance like this. Okay, what those things are, what a round of those things, the favorable cases to get the sum. Okay, here this. Okay, yes, we may get the problems are like this. Yes, when the three dice are rolled simultaneously, okay, which are fair dice, that means which having the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on its faces. Okay, yes, what is the probability of the sum is 17? No need to write that all the possibilities, within seconds we will get this one. Sum is 17. Yes, these are all the three possibilities. What is the probability of the sum is 12? The sum is 12. There is 25 possibilities. Okay, they may not ask directly, so they will give that problem by using our addition rule. So what is the probability of getting the sum is either 17 or 18, like this. Probability of A union B is a probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Yes, what is the probability of getting 17? So these are the 3 chances, okay, out of 216 chances. Okay, now yeah, here is the possibilities out of 216. Just I am writing the favorable cases. Okay, probability of 18, sum is 18, this is the only one chance out of 216. Yes, is there any intersection parts? I mean, the probability of getting the sum is at a time is 17 and 18, no chance, which is 0 possibility. Okay, so which is 4 by 216, like this. Yes or not? Okay, students, how it is? So by using this one, I mean this apple will gives that a quick values, okay, whose sum is given, whatever the sum is given from the apple, we will get this one within seconds, and we will get the problem whatever they ask the problem. Okay, not? Let us see. I will discuss the one more problem based on that dice. They may ask the questions are like this. Let A and B are 2 persons. Let A and B are 2 persons. Okay. Yes, so both are rolled the dice, 3 dice rolled simultaneously. And the sum of the numbers for A, the sum of the numbers on A, for A is, sum is, suppose if it is 15. For the first one is 15, okay. A and B are the 2 persons. So who roll that 3 dice simultaneously? The sum of the numbers on the 3 dice for A is 15. Then they will ask the question, what is the probability of the sum is more than what the person A got for B? Understood? So what is the sum of the points? So on the 3 numbers for B, which is more than that one. That means indirectly they are asking that what is the sum of 3 numbers for B is either 16 or 17 or 18. That's what they are asking. Okay, yes. From this one, quickly we will get this one. Okay, sum is 16. That means it is 6 out of 216 chances. And this is for 17. This is 3 out of 216 chances. And 18. This is 1 out of 216 chances. That means this is the probability of the sum is 16. Okay. Yes, this is the probability of sum is 17. Plus this is the probability of sum is 18. Okay. Total it is 10 by 216 chances. Okay. Like this. Or else 5 by 108 chances. Okay. Yes. Then we can ask like these questions. Yes. When the 3 dice are rolled, sum of the numbers on the 3 dice is so and so, like this. They can form a questions, some different questions based on this one. Okay, in that case, yes, to get that the quick values, the favorable values. Okay, yes, so within seconds, you can imagine that this magic apple, or you can draw that the magic apple, and please you can draw this one. I mean, the favorable cases you will get easily. Okay, just within seconds you will get the problem whatever they ask the question. Okay, in case of 3 dice are rolled like this. Yes, students, I think you like this method. Okay, yes, and if you like this method, please share to your friends and your juniors. And one more thing I want to say this one. If you want to ask any particular topic, please comment in the comment box. Okay, I am trying to explain the topic. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel to get all my videos. Okay, yes, please stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye.